Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. English alphabet A B C. Let's start. A. A is for apple. A apple. B. B is for ball. B ball. C. C is for cat. K k cat. D. D is for dog. D d dog. E. E is for elephant. A elephant. F. F is for fish. F fish. G. G is for goat. G goat. H. H is for horse. H horse. I. I is for igloo. E igloo. J. J is for jellyfish. J jellyfish. K. K is for kite. K kite. L. L is for lion. L lion. M. M is for monkey. M monkey. N. N is for nose. N nose. O. O is for ostrich. O ostrich. P. P is for pig. Pig. Q. Q is for queen. Queen. R. R is for rose. Rose. S. S is for swan. Swan. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for van. Van. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. I. I is for igloo. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for ostrich. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for swan. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Good job. Now you practice and do it at your own. Bye-bye. Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.